What is up, everybody? Welcome back. It's Alpha AK. I'm doing a quick video on where you can go to get your service and maintenance for your Alfa Romeo in Northern Virginia. For starters, you can obviously go to the Alfa dealerships. I do not go there for any service and maintenance unless it's a warranty fix. Alfa Romeo dealerships cost you an arm and leg, triple, quadruple prices of other independent shops. So I don't see any point of going to the Alfa dealers unless there's nobody around you that has experience with Alfa Romeos. So the first shop I actually ever went to, independent shop that I ever went to, was Loudoun County Exotics. It's an awesome shop. Greg is the owner. He's super cool. All the people there are super cool. They're super experienced with Italian cars, exotic cars, and really all cars. So I went there to get my oil change as well as my Eurocompulsion V2 intake installed, and they did great. The only downside is, and the reason I have not been there since, is they don't do appointments on Saturdays, just pickups, I believe, or something like that. So it's far away from me, an hour, so it's hard for me to find time to go all the way over there. The plus about Loudoun County Exotics is they're able to reset your calendar, your maintenance calendar. So some shops say they can't do it based off the special tool you need to have. They're also able to do a brake flush, which some shops say they're unable to do because they need a special tool. They're also able to reset your oil light. So anything to do with your Alfa Romeo, Loudoun County Exotics is able to do it for you. The next shop I went to is called Speed Tech and Motoring in Loudoun. They are an awesome shop. They work on awesome cars, and shop manager Rashid is super cool and nice and welcoming. So they can do your oil change and reset your oil change light, but they can't reset your maintenance calendar. They can't do a brake flush and so on. But for oil change, they'll be able to do that for you. And they will be able to install parts as well. Like if you had like a lip or like an intake or something like that, they'll most likely be able to do that for you as well. Next up is Craftsman Auto Care. Luckily, I found this out through the Facebook Alpha page, and I'm glad I found it. The location I went to is in Alexandria. Awesome shop. Very knowledgeable on Alfa Romeos. They were able to do my brake flush, cabin air filter, and oil change for a quarter of the price the dealer was charging. So definitely check them out. They have a few locations. They're also able to reset your maintenance calendar, your oil change light, and do a lot more. Next up is London Auto Care, or London Auto, and Falls Church. They have Alfa Romeos in the family. They're knowledgeable. They work on them. So they can do your oil change and a lot other work. And I believe they're able to reset your maintenance calendar as well. I personally never been to them because they were charging more than Craftsman Auto. But yeah, if they're near you or whatever, check them out. For oil changes, tire rotation, so on, you can also go to Firestone. I know a lot of people that have taken their Alpha to Firestone for oil changes. Unfortunately, in Northern Virginia, they don't work on Alfa Romeos, but in other areas or other states, they work on Alfa Romeos. I don't understand the difference, but yeah, not in Northern Virginia. The last one on my list is Ptuning in Manassas. They can do your alignment, oil change, and so on. I'm pretty sure install body parts, auto body parts, obviously, and like intake, side skirts, lip, so on. I personally never went to them because I think they overcharge, but they are a known shop. They work on a lot of sports cars, track cars, and so on. So check them out if you're in the Manassas or surrounding areas. And that's it, guys. just a quick list if you were wondering where to go in Northern Virginia. And if you have any questions about these shops or so on, just feel free to ask. Follow me on Instagram, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will catch you next time. Peace.